Hi there, I'm Chris Sanderson. I'm the site manager for Rushcliffe School in Nottingham. We're a growing school. We're currently at about 1,650. I was approached by the school leadership team towards the summer holidays of this year to look at ways of improving outdoor space for lunchtime breaks and possible overspill areas just for library areas and things like that, just to relaxation really for the students to meet with each other and socialise. We identified the LRC quad. It was an area that historically flooded, so with the design team met with A&S Landscapes, and within 6 weeks we managed to turn this area behind me into an area that was meeting the school needs. A&S Landscape provided quotation. They did just a couple of visual sketches with various canopy options, including different roof styles and materials, and we looked at the different options under discussion with them and the leadership team at the school, and we're quite happy with the canopy that, as you can see behind me, was done from design through to finished product. Obviously we did a little bit of research to find out what we were after, and I think this ticked the boxes. I think ultimately we went with A&S Landscapes because they came up with a product that was best for the school, and they actually gave us a complete plan from start to finish. On site, they were excellent. They always signed in, they always followed the health and safety remit of the job that was spec'd out and agreed with the school. A&S Landscape were very professional. They kept communication right through the project. That was from the grounds workers through to the Canopy construction team building it, and then with a follow-up visit to actually see the finished product and inspect and sign off. So yes, we're very pleased. I would highly recommend A&S Landscape. We're very pleased with the canopy. We've had no issues with it. It works as per specification, and we would always get A&S Landscape involved with future developments of canopies around the school should the need arise.